Okay, now we'll test the sensor board. Before testing it, let us have a checklist. Uh, let's see. The notch of the IC is on the upper side. There are 4 resistors. The resistor for red LED is of course 560 ohms, and the IR emitter is also 560 ohms. Okay, the resistor for the receiver is 5.6 kilo ohms, and the resistor which is right above the potentiometer is 560 ohms or less than that. It is recommended that if you have 100 ohms, it'll be better. Now the three pins of this jumper, the upper pin which is towards the pot is VCC, that is 5 volts. The middle one is the ground, and the lower one is the data line which is next to the LED. Okay, I'll put the 3 pin Relimet to it so that I will be able to connect it to the motherboard and take 5 volts from the motherboards. We'll be taking 5 volt from the motherboard. We don't have a battery of 5 volt. The regulator regulates the 9 volt battery voltage to 5 volt, and we will take the 5 volt from the motherboard. Okay, there are some more checklist things. The positive of the emitter is on the inner side, and the positive of the receiver is also on the inner side. That means the flags inside these two emitter collectors are on the outer side for both of them. Okay, now as we've seen that the outer pin is the VCC, that is the red, and the middle one is the ground, that is the brown. So we'll just connect it to the motherboard. You know that the heat sink of the 7805 is connected to ground, so I'll just connect it to ground wire, and the J2, all the 3 pins are connected to VCC, so I'll connect it to the red pin. So we are getting 5 volts from J2 and ground. Okay, done. Okay, now if I put on the circuit, okay, now the sensor board should be working. Okay, just a second. Okay, now how we have to adjust the potentiometer of the circuit is we have to place the sensor board at an height the same as the height at which the sensor board will be placed on the robot, and then rotate or adjust the potentiometer so that the LED glows. The LED is indicating that the output of the sensor is 1, that is 5 volts. And then adjust the pot so that the sensor gives 1 on white and 0 on black. Okay, so see, I've adjusted it so that it gives 1 on white and 0 on black, 1 on white and 0 on black. Okay, so this sensor module plus multiple sensor modules and your L293D circuit, that is this motherboard, should make the line follower work. Okay, we'll see about the microcontroller thing in the next video.